Good morning everyone. So from the picture shown to me, I perceive 6 characters, 2 are females, 4 are males. All are in the positive mood and the age between 20 to 22. The collective action of my story is the camp trip. So the main protagonist of my story is Shaman, who is 21-year-old male in the positive mood. He is a BTech CS student in the NIT Surat. During the summer vacation, he planned a trip along with his 5 friends, and then finally first googled about the places that he had to visit in the Mysore. After that he booked the tickets of hotel and train, and then he arranged all the necessary equipment such as rope, tent and the hiking material, and also the medical assistant. After that he briefed about the one big trip to among his friends, and then they reached the place and staying at night in the hotel. After that they went to the forest and enjoyed the hiking and plant the tent, and also collected some wooden logs for the fire, and in night they enjoyed with music and clicked pictures and completed the trip very peacefully. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. From the story I have perceived 4 characters. All are males between 20 to 22 years of age, and all are in positive mood. So Shaurya with his college friends decided to go for camping in the upcoming weekend. They had planned for it beforehand. They left early morning, but by the time they reached, it had been the evening had set in, so it was perfect time for them to start camping. They pitched in their tents, they collected dry sticks and generated a bonfire. Before, it was not a very easy night for them, but they had a good time. It was memorable, and for next day they decided to leave early, but before that they cleaned up everything and packed their bags before going to the next destination.
Good morning everyone. From the story I perceive that there is a group of people who are working right now, and from their busy schedule they decided to take a week off or a day off, and they went for camping. In the whole on the whole day they started to camp the tents, and then they burned the fire. They set up the campfire, and there was a group of people. They had discussion of their daily lives and the busy life, and it was a day only to take the day off and analyze themselves. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. From the given picture I perceived 4 characters, 3 male and 1 female. The protagonist of my story is Megha. She's a 23-year-old college female. She was really excited for a college trip which was planned for Dehradun. It was about to start on 2nd of Jan and was to end on 8th of January. They reached the trip and began with setting up their own tent. It was a really fun experience, but it was late in the evening, and then they lit up fire, and the bonfire was enjoyed with games and all, and the first day was really fun. Then the next day they had planned a jungle safari. It was the first time for safari for many people. And there they saw cheetahs, lions, deers, and the breeze, the sun felt really nice in the winter mornings. Then after reaching the camp, every night they used to light a bonfire, play the games, and they all bonded really well. The trip was really fun, and they planned that the next trip will be planned to Dehradun again.
Friends, I have perceived 6 characters from the picture. All are in positive mood. Raghav, a 23-year-old student of mountaineering, has went to McLeodganj for a trip along with his friends. There they built their own camps and cooked their own food by the help of bonfire. They contacted the locals for more insight into the area. They came to know that pine trees are have good medical implementations, so they reported that in the journals. They also explored Trion Trek, Baksu Fall, and various other foods like sampa, momos, and Tibetan culture. They also reported about the good things about meditations as they visited the Dalai Lama temple for Buddhism practices. Thank you.
In the picture, I perceive 6 characters. All are male and all are in the positive mood. Their age is around 17 to 20 years. The main character of my story is a boy named Sid. Sid is a class 12 student, and he has decided to go on a camping trip with his friends during his summer vacation. So for this he calls his friends, discusses the whole plan, books the tickets of the train, and then packs his own luggage and goes to Manali for his trip. There he pitches his own tent with the help of his friend, then helps them pitch their tent. Then 4 of them gather some wood. Sid builds up the fire and cooks some vegetable for them to eat. Then they all chat and click many pictures. Sid also builds a pit around the tent and fills it with water in order to keep it safe from other wild animals. Then he also keeps in handy a first aid kit in case of any kind of emergency. So all of them enjoyed the trip a lot and they were safe. Then they returned back, shared their experience with everyone, and I would like to add the point that they decided to plan more such trips in the future. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. From the picture, I have perceived 6 characters. All were male and all were between the age of 20 to 24, and they all were NCC cadets. The action of my story is camping activity in the forest. So, Alex, a 22-year-old senior NCC cadet, got a notice that his college is going to organize a camp activity in the Dehradun. He participated in it and selected as the senior leader. So, they all went to the Dehradun and he help the other NCC cadets to set up their tents and also teach them some survival techniques like tying knots, medical uses of the forest products, and also he helped them to catch fishes from the nearby river, and also they collected woods and cooked the fish, enjoyed the meal. They also lit up a bonfire, enjoyed the bonfire. They all enjoyed the tour and was very happy.
Good afternoon, friends. From the picture flashed, I perceived 6 characters. All were male in the age group of between 23 to 24. The action of my story is camping with friends and relaxing the mind. The protagonist of my story, Rajesh, 24, resident of Sitara village in Uttarakhand, after his semester exams planned a picnic trip along with his friends to the nearby village. For this, in the early morning, he packed his bag with all the necessary preparations and equipments like the toolkits, medical box, also with some tents, ropes and some eatables, but that was dried because he loves cooking and want that they should cook there itself, enjoy the nature. So along with his friends, they went there via bicycle, and it was a great journey for them. Reaching there, I want to add a point, reaching there, they arranged the tents and collected the woods, done the bonfire, arranged, and he was good at cooking, so he prepared the meal for all of them. They enjoyed the food, sang good songs, enjoyed the music and breeze of the atmosphere, and then they relaxed their mind. Next morning, they were back towards their home, and they felt that it was the need that they should always arrange a picnic like this so that they would be more involved in the nature and they should get relaxed. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived 6 characters from the picture being shown to us. My main character is Radhika, who's 16-year-old, and my action of the story is Winter Adventure Camp at Sikkim. Now, Radhika, 16-year-old, got the chance for participating in Winter Adventure Camp at Eastern Air Command. Now, there she was given different experiences. She was given the experience of river rafting, ball zorbing, and also the main part was trekking at Kurseong, Sikkim. There they were told about how to make tents by the officers, and due to her very good listening power, she was able to pick up all the things. There they were also told how to make bonfires, and there they interacted with people there. They changed their social cultures, and at last they were also made to arrange the bonfire night where she organized whole campaign. So it was a good experience for her. Later she also briefed it in blogging, and it was a good experience to her. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. From the picture, I have perceived 6 characters. All are male in the age group of 22 to 24. My main character is Rahul, who is a 23-year-old boy who, after his college vacations, has decided to go for a rejuvenating trip to Dehradun. Now there, he along with his friends planned a trip, and he had booked a proper mountaineering trip along with a guide who had taken them to Dehradun, and there they learned pitching, camping, tenting, and they went fishing also. They did bonfire and cooking in the night. Also, they had explored the Dehradun markets and their culture, and the Dehradun culture and the locals over there, and the local dishes and the cuisines and the local artifacts over there. And after the trip, they all were enriched. They went back and they narrated it to their other friends and motivated them for such a trip. Thank you.
I perceived 6 characters, and all were male, and all were in positive mood. And action of my story is NCC camp, and my story goes to Aniket. Was a student of National Cadet Corps, and one day he knows that his college organizing a NCC camp for 10 days, and after he went at his home and prepared himself for going to camp. He went to forest for 10 days, and he organized as a leader of quality, and he assigned a task as a monitor of his batch. He did all his responsibility taken by his superior, and he also took the class because he has already attended before a camp also. So in the absence of instructor, he taken class sometimes. So all the students behaved like as a senior, and he cooperated with each other. After that, he motivated and give some inspirational things, how to make a tent, and how to use when you go to forest, then how will you live there. So such types of things he also briefed in the absence of. Thank you.
Good morning, friend. In this picture, I perceive six character. All are in the age group of 21 to 24. Mohan, 24, the main character of my story. He is the head of the NCC cadet, where they are where they are planning for the one organized trip that was organized in Manali. So with the help of his friend, they have taken all the equipment like refreshment and and the tools where they are going to spend their night with the bonfire, and with the help of his friend, and they are explaining how we can enjoy and how the event can be more possibly. So with the help of that, it will be it goes the well and good trip for all.
From the picture I have perceived 5 characters, in which all are male, and their common age group is between 20 to 30, and the action of my story is increasing awareness among the people to stop deforestation. So the leading character of my story is Ram, who after completing his graduation visited the village. There he saw the villagers of his village were primarily using the deforestation as their primary source of livelihood. Seeing all this, he became very disappointed. He scheduled a meeting with all the villagers in the evening. There he covered that the adverse effect that the deforestation is causing on our environment. He also covered that the uncertainty of the rain which affecting their farm's activity is directly or indirectly related to the deforestation. Seeing all this, the villagers became very sincere and they never repeated it again.
Friends, I have perceived multiple characters from the story. All were male and all were in the positive mood. The main character of my story is Raj, 18 years, and he is a class 12 student. He is also a member of a scout and guide club of his school. Once he got an opportunity to attend an NCC camp of a nearby college. So he took the permission from the principal and grabbed that opportunity and started packing for that, and took some advice from seniors. It was a 3-day camp. So when he arrived at the camp, it was a team of 20 members. So he listened to the instructions of the instructor very carefully, and also learned to perfectly how to put a tent. And in the later time, he shared his experiences and also talked about the future prospects and career with his seniors. And later on, they also went on fishing. And for the dinner, they had those fishes only roasted in a bonfire. And when the camp was ended, he went to his school and told his friends what all he have learned from his seniors.
Hello everyone. I have perceived 4 to 5 main characters, 4 to 5 characters, and my main character is Shobit, a 42-year-old man. And the action of my story is the several people are camping for near the forest area. The story which I have decided is that 3 years ago there was a flood that had came in the small village of Himachal Pradesh, and the fooding program was being done by the Prime Minister of India. And Shobit, which is the main character of my story, 42-year-old, and he, along with the several other groups, were planning to campaign for the food and medical supplies that were damaged through the the flood has arrived livelihoods of many people. So Shobit, along with the deputy orders of the deputy collector, camping and medical facilities were provided to, as he is the local leader. Thank you.
Friends, I have perceived 6 characters in a picture shown to us. Ram, the central character of my story, age 18, and also a very adventurous and a daring person. He make a plan with his friends to go in a adventurous trip in Haridwar. He book a ticket and packs all the luggage. They reached at the Haridwar at morning and hire a team for guide, and they go for the hiking and trekking in the Haridwar, and he enjoys a lot with he cracks just some jokes and also sing a song for them. And after it, in the evening, they cook the food in the camp and also made camp for it. They enjoys a lot and he sings a song for enjoyment of the friends. Thank you.
Jai Hind. From the given picture, I have perceived 4 characters. All are males and in the age of early 20s. A group of college students of National PG College, Lucknow, have planned a trip to Mussoorie. On the trip of Mussoorie, their bus broke down and all the members got down from the bus. The college group organized a camp in the forest area where the Siveshwar have took the responsibility to arrange the bonfire, while Sujit, the art student, have planned to organize the firewood and rest of the material. All the group members went for the first went for the mountaineering, then went for the trekking. Now coming next, they arranged the bonfire where they cook the meals and also distributed to the tribal area. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. From the given picture, I perceive male character, age 20, having positive mood. Raj, a 20-year-old National Cadet Corps cadet, was gone for a national track camp at the borders of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. Then later he with his group of cadets went for the camp at the forest, and at the night they built their camps and burn a fire. Later they spent a night in the jungle and enjoyed their camp. And the next morning they went back to their NCC camp, and where the organizing officer appreciated them and also motivated them for the future. Thank you.
Jai Hind, everyone. What I have perceived from the picture is a 5 male character, all were in a positive mood, and their age is around 20 to 24 years. The main character of my story is Rahul, 20-year-old BTech student who has just completed his 2nd year of the BTech. He decided with his friend to go on a trip or a camp in the forest of the Meghalaya. So they planned that they would go on a fixed date. They also fixed the date. They also booked a mini bus so that they can also enjoy their way. Before going to the forest, they also took a 3-day workshop so that they can gain the proper information about the camping. They also hire a professional guide or a professional hiker to enjoy their camping in the forest. They also done the fire camp or bonfire in the night, and also played different games and enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. From the given picture, I have perceived 6 characters, 3 males and 3 female. The main action of my story is a summer camp. Rohit, 21-year-old, after completing his first comparative exams, went for the summer camp. It was the first time experience for him staying in the city. He went to the forest area with his friends. He made very good friends there. It was the first time for him experiencing the wildlife and nature very closely. He also came to know about the various sort of plants. He was also involved in various activities such as trekking and hiking. He was also involved in the boat rafting along with his friends. He also enjoyed his stay. During the night, he organized a bonfire, played the music, played damsharas, and enjoyed his visit there. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. I perceive 6 characters in this picture. All are in the positive mood, and one of them is of the 30 years, as he is a sports teacher of the school, and all of the 5 are the students of the 18 years. One day Rajesh, sports teacher, who assigned the students of his class to make a function for the annual function, to decoration of the stage, but he found that all of the students there do not doing the things properly and messed up all of the things. So he decided to plan a camping outside the city. So they go there, and he wants that the students learn about how to manage the things properly. So they all going that day, and he taught them how to build a tent, make a campfire, and doing the camping there. And after that, all of the students learn carefully how to do things in a better way. So after that, they back to the schools. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. I perceived 6 characters from the image shown. All were male, and the central character of my story is Pranav. Pranav is a 19-year-old boy and a student of BSc Medicine. He once approached the principal of the college and asked for the responsibility to conduct a educational camping tour to the mountains of Himachal. He then arranged for the money from the interested students, and then also arranged for the camping materials required and the tickets also. Then they all went to the mountains, and all of them were led by Pranav, and they set up the camp. After that, Pranav took the responsibility to arrange the fire, and assigned the responsibility to others of arranging for food and necessary items. They then enjoyed in the evening, and on the next day they went out and saw various kind of medicinal plants and made a study. After that, they returned to their hometown and submitted that study to the college and got appraisal. Thank you.
So as most of us have made the NCC cadets, so we can make them NCC cadets. So we can make them college students. They were adventure camp. I am making the adventure camp, but it is with a college student of around age 20 to 22.
145 has mentioned
Okay,
about
but they can be a student as well who have been given the chance of going to adventure camp, and all the officials with them are trained and they will teach them about also they studied and learned how to make tents, and also they interacted and got they also learned how to work in a team. First we should organize that how will we reach to the camp, then we will decide what we will do. He is our main protagonist. He is the BTech student, and he is studying in the bus or anything. They can go by a bicycle also to the nearby village. But yeah, we can start with like they book the hotel bookings and also the train tickets. There should be a person,
and we also have Tony Ferrari beside that.
like they have put in and pitched in the tent there. So we should take
Okay,
now listen to the second group.
Okay, friends, I wanted to add campaign when the
there has to be a purpose of a camping. So
yes, yes.
I have a story of the that we at the point of wildlife observation and the and because the people are not full that kind of observing customs, there has to be a purpose also.
Now let's discuss how the camping goes. First they arrange the tent and then go for the arrange for the firewood.
And he's the main protagonist
Let's
of the
go
story.
one by one. Let first of all,
and
then we also have some also deliver the theme of education, so that they can educate the people nearby.
Let's discuss how they camping.
Aware about the education to the villages group. To enjoy the village group. So that they are not aware about the condition of the forest there.
So know about the customs that so we use
put the task that they perform. The first task can be going for the tent. They learn how to tent pitching. The second can they also attend
Now let's discuss the games they played. They played firstly the Antakshari, then the bonfire and the truth and game. These games are
bonfire and also sing a song. Protagonist sing a song for the enjoyment and also
every member of the group will show
the bonfire and enjoy a lot. And also when the customs and the tradition from the local enjoyment should be the part. Enjoyment should be the part, but there has to be awareness program because there has to be purpose. Yeah, they have background of they will not aware about the combined they also take the theme of the educational purposes as they deal the
so as we all know that they are science students, so they can teach about the technology to travel areas.
Basically what we are discussing that all of them were college students, went for the advanced and
I appreciate with the
looking at the background of the tribal area, we also need a team of education so that they can educate them about the technology
and also inform the police already because we are going to forest area. So
Okay, right, gentlemen. Now all of you can have a discussion and make a group story. Okay. Now.
We have already decided on our seats.
Okay, we'll make a little change in the plan. What we'll have, first group will have their own group story and second group will have their second group story. Okay, let's have the group story.
Friends, so as
1 minute only.
Water in it because it will be safe for our children, and that was a brilliant
Okay, right, time is up. Have you made a group story?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's listen to it. Yeah, anyone can give it up.
Friends, we have perceived 6 characters from the story. All are in positive mood and in the age of 21 to 23 years. So, they are mountaineering students who went for camping in McLeod. They learn about various survival techniques, pitching the camps and bonfires for cooking food. Also, they learn about different techniques and implementations of coniferous trees which are behind the scenes. And it is probably pine trees, and it helped in curing tuberculosis. They represented the journal in NCBI, and the report was very well successful. Thank you.
Okay, now let's have the second group.
So from the given picture, we have perceived 4 characters. All are male and in the positive mode, and their age is in the early 20s. So the theme of our story is camping trip. So there is a group of college students from National PG College, Lucknow. They have planned a trip to Mussoorie. There they went by the bus and arranged a camping. There first they arranged the campfire and then went for the mountaineering and trekking also. Later that all the group members played games like Antyakshari, Truth and Dare, and last they sung a patriotic song and also informed the local tribals about the importance of technology in their lives. Thank you.
Okay.